Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya government decides to put in place containment measures, not lockdown, in vulnerable state capital Shillong, Jowai and Tura towns to contain spread of coronavirus. Containment measures will be imposed with effect from 5 a.m. of 1st May 2021 to 10th May 2021. Inter-district or intra-district movement restricted except on essential or emergency with permission from the DC, and violators of containment measures to be booked as per the law. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya government today took few decisions to put in place the containment measures in vulnerable state capital Shillong, Jowai and Tura towns to contain the spread of coronavirus in the state. Speaking to the media after the online meeting with Deputy Commissioners chaired by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the containment measures prohibits entry and exit of vehicular movement except those of essential services. The minister said the restriction of movements will commence from 5 a.m. 1st of May 2021 till 5 a.m. of the 10th of May. He, however, said that there is an exception for emergency cases and that too with permission from the Deputy Commissioner. Any form of social, political, religious gatherings are not permitted, including conferences, meetings and trainings. Weddings and funerals are, however, permitted subject to a ceiling of 30 persons and with prior permission of the concerned Deputy Commissioner.
The government today has decided to put in place containment measures. We don't say lockdown, we say containment measures for the following places. 1. Shillong urban agglomeration. 2. Jowai town. And number 3, Tura town. These are the 3 places where we found that the spike of COVID-19 is vulnerable. These containment measures will take effective from 1st May at 5 a.m. morning till 10th May 5 a.m. morning, and the total number of days is 10 days.
All sports activities in the 3 main towns are prohibited for a period starting from 1st to 10th of May 2021.
Number 2, all sporting activities are not allowed. All sporting activities are not allowed.
All educational institutions are to remain closed except for those exam centers of different board examinations.
Number 3, all educational institutions shall remain shut from 1st up to 10th of May 2021.
All private firms and offices are prohibited to function except those providing essential services.
All private offices will be shut except those providing essential services.
All non-essential central government institutions are to remain closed and are hereby encouraged to work from home.
Next, non-essential central government institutions is also closed down their offices and they can work from home.
All daily activities and movement of public are to be suspended from 1st to 10th of May 2021.
May be allowed on issuance of passes from the Deputy Commissioners concerned, and those violating the movement protocol will be subject to penalty.
Public transport movement shall be reduced to 1/4 of the existing capacity as per the notification to be issued by the Transport Department. However, public transport are permitted only for health services including emergency services and vaccination, agriculture and veterinary services, students, teachers and staff related to conducting of examination, supply of medicines, but all these are to travel with pass from the DCs.
Next, public vehicular movement reduced to 1/4 of the existing capacity, subject to the regulations to be worked by the Deputy Commissioners and the Transport Department. Public transport is being allowed for use of those who are in need of services like healthcare and emergency services, including vaccination, students and teachers, staff attending exams, and movement of persons as per the para 5 of this order.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.